Hi everyone, Agnes here. I'm going to do a specific person rampage for you today. Many of you emailed me and asked in the thread about doing it for a woman, not for a man, so I'm going to do it for you now. Now just close your eyes if you want to and bring your awareness to your inside self and just absorb these statements and get into that wonderful feeling place with me today. I love the way she looks. I love when she dresses in that certain way. I so enjoy talking to her. I so enjoy the sound of her voice. I love the way her hair falls. I love the color of her eyes. I love her shape. I love when we talk and the things that she says. I really enjoy our time together. I look forward to more time together. I really love when she calls me. I love when she texts me. I love seeing that on my phone. It gives me that wonderful butterfly feeling. I so enjoy talking about the things we're going to do together. I so enjoy sharing information, conversations, knowledge about different topics with her. I really love the things she's interested in. I love how she takes care of herself. And I love when she talks to me about things that she doesn't talk to anyone else about. I love that she confides in me. I love when we really can be honest with each other about what's going on in our lives. I love when she smiles. I so love her laugh. And I really like that she likes me. I like that we click. I love when we're in sync. I love that I just think of her and then there's a message or a call. I so enjoy her personality. I love her character. And I love those quirky bits about her too. I love our connection. I love that we both enjoy movies and being together and going on an adventure together, whether it's in our neighborhood, in another town. I love thinking about exploring further with her. Maybe another country or another city that we've discussed and that we both really, really are drawn to. I so love even the quiet moments. I love thinking about sitting on the couch together, watching a movie. I love the feel of her. I love the smell of her. And I don't know if it's her perfume or just her shampoo, but I just love the smell of her. I so enjoy who she is. She is such a wonderful person. She is someone who is very giving and loving and kind, and I love those qualities. I am so grateful to know her, and I'm so grateful that we met. What a gift. What a wonderful, wonderful gift. And for today, that is enough. So just come back and spend some time doing that, enjoying the things about your person, enjoying the things that are unique to them, enjoying the connection, enjoying the feeling you have when you're together. If you can do that more and more, then that brings together wonderful people to enjoy really special, connected, and meaningful moments. So lots of love, everyone, and I will put the other rampage down below for you. And I will put also the specific person tool kit for those of you that are new that haven't seen it. And also there's a whole new, well, it's not new now, but there's new meditations on it. And it's the other channel where you can find very specific meditations on the specific topics that you're interested in. Lots of love, and I'll see you in the next YouTube.